this is Mugen. There's gonna be stickers in here. Watch. You gotta say here, no stickers. Ooh, it came with a photocopy in a plastic. No stickers. Once you put it on, I don't like the feel of it. Hey, can you put the stock one back on?
This supposed to be lighter too?
Okay, we took out the fuse for the horn.
The hard part right here.
Come on, drummer boy. Knocked it loose. Oh, and you just turned the whole thing.
You don't want to turn this, you want to put the cable.
3 volts?
5 screws so far?
5?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't do this on a day-to-day basis. This is a pain in the ass, so to push it out, you just literally push it out. All this is just rubber. So you get something like this. Yeah, it kind of came off.
Yeah, that was a bitch to take off. If you're looking for a how-to video, look it up. Cause this ain't it. What'd you say? Push that shit in? So now you're putting the silver trim on, huh?
Looks great to you, right?
Ernie, how come my horn doesn't work?
We took out the fuse.